We're going to show you how to delete or cancel a scheduled text message on your iPhone. This is a useful trick if you've scheduled a message that you no longer want to send. In this video, we will use the new feature from iOS 18 to send scheduled text messages. So this video only applies to iOS 18 and not to third-party apps. Before we start, please remember to like the video and share it. Thank you a lot. First, unlock your iPhone. Open the Messages app. Now find the person to who you scheduled the message. You see that I have a scheduled message to be sent on Friday. How can you cancel or delete your scheduled message? Tap on the Edit button at the top of the message scheduled. You will have three options: Send Message, Edit Time, and Delete Message. If you want to edit the time, you can do that, or you can send the message right away. The option we are interested in is Delete Message. For now, there is no option to edit the text message. You need to delete the message and schedule it again. Tap on Delete Message. A confirmation message might appear. Tap on Delete and the message will be deleted. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to delete or cancel a scheduled text message on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tricks. As always, if you have any questions or requests for future videos, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.